Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a traditional diet that researchers are now studying for skin longevity. Let's get straight to the point. Most people think skin aging starts when wrinkles appear. It doesn't. Skin aging starts years earlier, deep beneath the surface. Every single day, tiny amounts of inflammation, oxidative stress, and sugar damage quietly break down your collagen, even while your skin still looks perfectly normal. Much of that damage comes from the modern Western lifestyle, highly processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbohydrates that keep these aging processes switched on day after day. This silent damage doesn't just cause wrinkles, it also weakens your skin barrier, slows your skin's ability to repair itself, and makes your skin less firm and resilient over time. The danger is that you won't notice it until years later, when the wrinkles, the sagging, and dark spots finally appear. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin together. Every day, 3 invisible processes slowly chip that away. Chronic inflammation activates enzymes that quietly break down collagen. Oxidative stress acts like rust, damaging healthy skin cells faster than your body can repair them. And sugar damage, also called glycation, is when excess sugar sticks to collagen fibers, making them stiff, brittle, and more likely to wrinkle. The scary part is that this damage is happening even if you have a great skincare routine. Sunscreens, retinoids, and vitamin C are still incredibly important, but they mostly work from the outside. These invisible processes are happening from the inside. But here's what's fascinating. A recent 2025 review looked at some of the healthiest traditional diets in the world. Researchers weren't trying to reverse skin aging. They were asking a much bigger question. How do you keep skin healthier for longer? They call it skin longevity or skin span. Instead of looking for the next miracle skincare ingredient, researchers wanted to know if the foods we eat every day could actually slow these invisible processes from the inside out. What surprised them wasn't that these people live longer. It was that no matter where they lived, many of these traditional diets share the same foods and eating patterns, and they look very different from the modern Western diet. One of the world's best examples of a skin longevity diet comes from Okinawa, Japan. It's one of the world's original blue zones where people don't just live longer, they stay healthier as they age. So what are they eating? Why do these foods matter? And how can you start eating more like this at home? Let's dive in. The traditional Okinawa diet is very different from the typical Western diet. Instead of highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbs, it's built around whole foods that naturally protect your skin from the inside out. These traditional diets are naturally rich in antioxidants, fiber, polyphenols, and compounds that help reduce inflammation, protect collagen, and support your skin's natural repair process. The first food surprised me the most: purple sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes were once the foundation of the traditional Okinawa diet. Most people think they're just another potato. They're not. Their deep purple color comes from powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. Think of anthocyanins as tiny shields that help protect your collagen from oxidative stress, the invisible damage that slowly weakens your skin year after year. Unlike white bread or white rice, purple sweet potatoes are also packed with fiber. Fiber slows digestion, helping prevent the large blood sugar spikes that contribute to glycation. Remember glycation? That's when excess sugar sticks to collagen fibers and making them stiff, brittle, and more likely to wrinkle. Compared to many refined carbs, purple sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, more fiber, and significantly more antioxidants. You're not just eating carbs, you're feeding your skin with nutrients that help preserve collagen instead of damaging it. If you can't find purple sweet potatoes, regular sweet potatoes are still an excellent choice. They're also rich in fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, and skin-supporting antioxidants. The second food is soy. When most people hear soy, they think of processed meat substitutes, but in Okinawa, soy has been a staple for centuries. Foods like tofu, edamame, and miso are eaten almost every day. In fact, across Asia, traditional soy foods have been part of the diet for thousands of years, much like dairy is a staple in many Western cultures. Now I know some of you are thinking, doesn't soy increase estrogen? That's actually one of the biggest misconceptions about soy. Soy contains natural compounds called isoflavones, but a large meta-analysis of clinical studies found that traditional soy foods do not meaningfully affect estrogen levels in humans. But if you have a medical condition or are concerned about soy, it's always best to talk to your healthcare provider. For your skin, isoflavones are especially interesting because collagen production naturally slows as estrogen declines with age. Researchers believe isoflavones may help support collagen, improve skin elasticity, and help your skin stay better hydrated. The important thing is choosing traditional soy foods like tofu, edamame, tempeh, and miso, not the ultra-processed soy products. But supporting collagen is only part of the story. These traditional diets also include foods that help protect the collagen you already have. One of these foods is green tea. It's a staple in one of the world's best-known skin longevity diets. Most people think of it as just another healthy drink, but it's actually one of the richest sources of a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. Think of antioxidants as your body's cleanup crew. Every day, sunlight, pollution, even just normal metabolism create unstable molecules called free radicals. Left unchecked, they slowly damage healthy skin cells and break down collagen. EGCG helps neutralize those free radicals before they can do as much damage. Research also suggests it helps calm inflammation and may slow down enzymes called MMPs. These enzymes are activated by UV exposure and are one of the biggest reasons collagen breaks down as we get older. If you watch my other videos, you probably hear me talk about sunscreens protecting your skin from the outside. Green tea works differently. It helps support your skin's defense from the inside. You still need sunscreen, but together they protect your collagen from both directions. If you're not a fan of green tea, don't worry. Matcha comes from the same plant and contains even higher amounts of EGCG because you're consuming the entire tea leaf instead of just steeping it. But antioxidants aren't the only reasons these traditional diets support healthier skin. They also feed something scientists are paying much more attention to, your gut microbiome. That's why fermented foods are another important part of these traditional skin supporting diets. Foods like miso, natto, and other naturally fermented foods help create a healthier, more diverse gut microbiome. Now, you might be wondering, what does your gut have to do with your skin? More than you think, scientists call it the gut-skin axis. Think of your gut as a mission control for your immune system. A healthier gut helps keep inflammation under control throughout your body, including your skin. A 2021 Stanford study found that people who regularly ate a variety of fermented foods developed a more diverse microbiome, and while reducing multiple markers of inflammation. That's important because chronic inflammation is one of the invisible processes quietly breaking down collagen every single day. Here's the part that surprised me. It's not enough to just rely on yogurt alone. Many yogurts contain relatively small amounts of live cultures and often just a few bacterial strands. Diversity matters. That's why traditional diets include a variety of fermented foods like miso, natto, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and other naturally fermented foods. Different fermented foods feed your gut microbiome in different ways. The goal isn't to just eat one superfood. It's to build a healthier, more diverse gut microbiome, and that may be one of the best things you can do for your skin from the inside out. So what do all these skin longevity diets have in common? Surprisingly, it's not just one miracle food. It's the pattern. They're naturally rich in fiber, antioxidants, polyphenols, and fermented foods that nourish your gut microbiome. Together, these foods help calm inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, protect collagen, and support your skin's natural repair process. Now, compare that to the typical Western diet. It's often built around ultra-processed foods, refined carbohydrates, sugary drinks, and foods that are low in fiber and antioxidants. Over time, that combination keeps inflammation switched on, increases oxidative stress, and speeds up glycation, the very processes that quietly age your skin from the inside out. That's why this new research is so exciting. Researchers aren't saying these foods erase wrinkles or replace your skincare routine. They're changing the environment your skin lives in. Instead of constantly fighting damage, your skin has a better chance to repair, protect, and maintain itself over time. That's what Skin Span is all about. I'm not telling you to completely change your diet overnight. Healthy habits take time, and consistency matters more than perfection. Start with one simple change. Replace a refined carbs with a sweet potato. Add tofu or edamame to one meal this week. Swap one sugary drink for green tea, or include a fermented food a few times a week. Small changes are much easier to stick with, and over time, they can make a much bigger difference than chasing the next miracle skincare product. Because skin longevity isn't about looking younger overnight. It's about giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthier, stronger, and more resilient for years to come. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What foods have made the biggest difference for your skin? Share them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy skincare explained without the hype, I'd love to have you subscribe, because good skincare isn't about buying more products, it's about understanding what your skin is actually asking for. And if you want more videos like this one, I've got a few waiting for you right here.